Crucifix, Georgia Rain. If you're on the live, we're going to keep going. But if you're tuning in just for the video, my name is Randall. This is the McClures. And we react, review, we make fun of, and we laugh at stuff over here. Links in the description if you want to help support the channel. YouTube won't monetize us because they suck. So you can also shop McClures.com if you want to buy quality American products. That helps the channel go and grow and all that good stuff. We are going to be checking out Crucifix, Georgia Rain. Based on the song, I'm going to say it's more of a rock vibe. Based on the song title, I'm going to say it's more of a rock vibe than a rap vibe. But it definitely may be a rap song. Crucifix is a rapper. Yeah, I think that's what we'll call him. We'll call him a rapper. So we're going to get into this. We have quite a bit of Crucifix on the channel, so if you are a fan of him, we do have a playlist. Leslie is one of his biggest fans, or a big fan of him, so she put me on to Crucifix, and we have been checking out his music pretty consistently on the channel. I am a fan, and we do like most or majority of his stuff. All right, I will stop yakking. Let's get into some music. Crucifix, Georgia Rain. Let's go.
I wanna get lost when no one knows my name. Somewhere dancing on this Georgia rain. I'd have been at the top looking down at the world where the sky stops. And I'd have seen things happen up there that'll make you never want to die. Sometimes I long for the bottom to remember where I'm from. Instead of laying like a bullet in the barrel of a dead man's gun. 'Cause I've been through hell and tasted heaven the same. Fortune and fame feel a lot like shackles and chains. There's something so priceless in a simple man's dreams. 'Cause this world ain't all of the gold and all the silver it seems. I wanna get lost where no one knows my name. I wanna be free of the things I can't change. I wanna get high and forget all my pain. I wanna dance in the middle of the storm, walking on this Georgia rain.
Okay, yeah, definitely more of a rock vibe, obviously. I'm a fan of this one. It's got a smooth melody to it. It's easy on the ears. This is an easy listening vibe. Basically what I'm getting from it, though, is popularity and fame isn't always a good thing. The top is not always where you want to be. Sometimes you want to be amongst the common folks not getting recognized. Okay, that makes sense. That's definitely something I thought about before I started the YouTube channel. That's why I hadn't already started one longer ago. Was publicly putting myself out there, not necessarily for my sake, because I don't really give a fuck, but for my wife and kids, and that kind of stuff. So there was lots of hesitation there, but yeah, I mean, you got to do what you got to do. We sold the previous company. We don't want to work the insurance industry anymore. We hate it. We hated it. We did it for 20-something years, and we hated it. So we're trying something new. Hopefully, you guys can come along with the journey and support, so we keep this new thing going, and I don't have to go back to work as an insurance guy, because not my style. Not my style. All right, I'll shut up. Let's go.
I'd have been in the middle, look around at the world like a sweatshop. Working 40 plus hours every week just trying to get the bills to stop. I've been told another man's goal's worth chasing till my skin gets old. I'm living for the weekend coming when the liquor starts running and I need another check to blow. Cause I've been through Monday, tasted Friday the same. Working for another man feels a lot like shackles and chains. There's something so priceless in a working man's dreams. Cause this world ain't all of the gold and all the silver it seems. I wanna get lost where no one knows my name. I wanna be free of the things I can't change. I wanna get high and forget all my pain. I wanna dance in the middle of the storm, walking on this Georgia rain. I've been at the bottom looking up like everything that shines is gold. Cause I could use a little gold in my pockets when the world starts getting cold. I'm playing that lotto tomorrow, just praying it out my way. Cause I'm gonna buy a couple cars and a mansion and I'm gone just like the wind. Hey, I've been on empty head, a full tank the same. Having nothing to your name feels a lot like shackles and chains. There's something so priceless in a hungry man's dreams. Cause this world ain't all of the gold and all the silver it seems. I wanna get lost where no one knows my name. I wanna be free of the things I can't change. I wanna get high and forget all my pain. I wanna dance in the middle of the storm, walking on this Georgia rain.
Okay.
Yeah, this Georgia rain. Oh yeah, this Georgia rain.
That right there is why he doesn't mind. Back it up a little bit. This little girl right here is why he doesn't mind coming home all dirty after a hard day's work.
This Georgia rain. Oh, I wanna get lost when no one knows my name. Somewhere dancing on this Georgia rain. I wanna get lost, I wanna get lost when no one knows my name.
Wow. Impactful video for sure. Definitely an impactful video. And a great song. And an overall great song. We like the melody. We like the music. We liked it. We liked everything about that one. Shout out to Leslie for the recommendation for another Crucifix song. We do enjoy him almost every time. He's probably a 9 out of 10. There may be a random one we don't like as much, but we're definitely fans of Crucifix. If you're a fan of Crucifix, let me know what other songs of his that we should be checking out. If you're not a fan of his, let me know why your ears don't work correctly. Links are in the description if you want to help support the channel. If you're on the live, we are going to keep going, but if you're tuning in just for the video, we do go live Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 3:30 to 5:30, rumble.com/McClures. And you can always shop McClures.com if you want to buy quality American products. Shop McClures.com. It's starting to get warm, but we do have a great sale on jackets. You can save over $100. Pick you up a jacket for next season. Store it away. You won't have to spend any money next winter, and you'll save money now. ShopMcClures.com. Go check it out.